parts of body. Head. H-E-A-D. Head means डोके. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair means केस. Face. F-A-C-E. Face means चेहरा. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth means तोंड. Eyelids. E-Y-E-L-I-D-S. Eyelids means पापणी. Forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead means कपाळ. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin means हनुवटी. Eye. E-Y-E. Eye means डोळा. Eyebrow. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W. Eyebrow means भुवया. Ears. E-A-R. Ear means कान. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose means नाक. Cheek. C-H-E-E-K. Cheek means गाल. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue means जीभ. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth means दात. Lip. L-I-P. Lip means ओठ. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck means मान. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder means खांदा. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest means छाती. Arm. A-R-M. Arm means बाहू. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow means कोपर. Wrist. W-R-I-S-T. Wrist means मनगट. Thumb. T-H-U-M. Thumb means अंगठा. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers means बोटे. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach means पोट. Navel. N-A-V-E-L. Navel means बेंबी. Waist. W-A-I-S-T. Waist means कंबर. Thigh. T-H-I-G-H. Thigh means मांडी. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee means गुडघा. Leg. L-E-G. Leg means पाय. Ankle. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle means घोटा. Toes, TOES. Toes means पायाची बोटे. Foot, FOOT. Foot means पाय. Heel, HEEL. Heel means टाच.